ఆన్ చేసుకుందాం. 95.
Children, all of you open page number 13 TB. Do 3-4 questions. Do 3 and 4 questions in TB, everyone. Do 3 and 4 questions in TB, page number 30, all of you. Fast. Page number 30, 3 and 4 questions.
Completed, miss. Completed already.
Completed?
Yes, miss.
Okay then. Okay, who completed that one? All of you open page number 35. All of you open page number 35. Page number 35. Still many are settling. Settle fast. Page number 35, everyone.
Miss, page number, miss. Miss, TB or TW? Miss, page number what, miss?
All of you open TB page number 35. 5 times I told you. Page number 35 you should open. All of you open page number 35.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, miss.
Okay, very good afternoon. All of you open. Okay, all of you open page number 35.
Open, miss.
Why you're talking, children, like that? Sit silently, everyone. Don't make noise. Open page number 35. Open page number 35, all of you. And see the lesson one. First question is given, write whether true or false. All of you write whether true or false. First question. TB page number 35. Don't talk. Yeah, good afternoon, Yakub. Okay, all of you start doing page number 35, TB textbook, lesson 1. First question I am reading. See, children, write whether true or false. A question I am reading. 567 has 5 hundreds, 7 tens and 6 ones. It is correct or false? It is true or false?
False.
Very good. Write over there. Write, all of you. B1 and C1.
Only F, miss.
Only F you can write, or otherwise FALSE false you can write. Both are correct.
This which page number?
Who is that asking page number? Tell your name. Who is that? Page number 35, Nana. Page number 35.
Completed first question.
Very good, Yakub. See, all of you completed first question, children. Okay, all of you now see the third question. Fill the first box. I'll tell you how to fill the second box. Who completed writing true or false? Do the HOTS 3 third question. Do HOTS 3 third question. Third question, do all of you. Do third question, first box. Second box, I'll tell you how to fill. Very good, Aradhya. Completed first question. Very good. Who completed first question? Do the third question, first box. Subtraction is given. After doing subtraction, one arrow mark it is given. See all of you children. Arrow mark. Can you see arrow mark, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Say yes or no?
Yes, miss. Yes,
Only
miss.
one. Yes, arrow mark is given, no? So, what answer you got in the first box, you should write in the second box where arrow mark is given. Aniket still settling. Aniket
Yes,
still
miss.
settling. All of you do the third question. Make it fast, children.
Stamp X. Yes,
All of you complete third question. Block what I'm telling. Page number 35. Again, you're asking block, children.
Your question.
Okay, page number 35.
Completed, miss.
TB, page number 35. First question and third question you have to complete, children, everybody.
Completed, miss.
Who completed open page number 36, everyone?
Yes, miss.
All of you open page number 36. Do the first question. Matching is given. Do the first question. Matching is given, see. I.
Miss, the page number 36, miss.
Page number 36, first question. Matching is
Completed,
given,
miss.
see. Do matching, everyone.
Completed. Completed, miss. Aniket, matching completed. Aniket. Matching completed, miss.
Very
Miss
good.
completed.
Okay. Okay, very good.
Miss, better first question. Completed.
Havish, switch on your video, Havish. Havish. Havish, switch on your video.
Miss, completed, miss, matching.
Good.
Number to the nearest hand.
Only
Switch off the video, miss. The number nearest hundred. Use the form and column method. Zero dash. Miss, for me completed. What is the question? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, children, completed. Once all of you look at the screen, Nana. Once all of you look at the screen.
Okay, miss.
Once all of you look at the screen. If you can't see the screen, 2 times if you touch the screen, you can see the screen clearly.
Okay, miss.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. First, answer my question. Okay,
miss.
Children, listen carefully. If you want to answer my question, raise your hand. Okay?
Okay, miss. Miss.
Okay, children, listen carefully. You have a 20 rupee note with you. Do you all know how a 20 rupee note is?
I don't know, miss. I know rupees only.
20 rupee note, Nana. Tanish, 20 rupee note.
I know, miss.
Yes, all know 20 rupees. Now, you have one 20 rupees note with you. Okay, children, you went to a bookshop.
Yes.
Okay, you went to a bookshop and you bought pencil and eraser. One pencil you bought and one eraser. Okay,
Yes,
and total the shopkeeper told total pencil and eraser, pencil 10 rupees and eraser 5 rupees, total 15 rupees he told. Okay,
Yes.
but you have how much with you? 20 rupees note. You'll give 20 rupees note or 15 rupees you have, ma? You don't have 15 rupees. Then
No,
you'll give 20 rupees. How many rupees? 20 rupees. If you give 20 rupees note to the shopkeeper, how much he will give back to you? He will give back or
5 rupees change, miss. 5
Yes.
rupees change, miss.
yes, very good. He will give 5 rupees change. Say yes or no, children?
Yes, miss.
Actually, pencil and eraser cost 20 rupees or 15 rupees?
15 rupees.
15 rupees only, but you gave 20 rupees. Say yes or no?
Yes, miss.
Actually, pencil and eraser cost 15 rupees, children, but you gave 20 rupees. Why? Because you have 20 rupees note with you. You don't have 15 rupees. What you did here, do you know? You rounded off your number. What you did, children? Rounded off. All of you tell me. Rounded off. What did you do there? You rounded off the number 15 to 20. Okay? The number 15 you have, you rounded off it to the nearest 10. In grade 2, did you remember, children? We have a drawn number line and we use it to see what is the nearest 10. Did you remember number lines? Yes. Like that only. Now we are going to round off the 3-digit numbers. How many digit numbers? Okay, all of you.
Can I go to washroom, miss?
Who is that?
Please remember.
Chaitra, you only? Stop, everyone. Don't talk. Now we are going to round off 3-digit numbers, children. All of you look at the screen very, very carefully. I'm taking one 3-digit number. Okay. Havish, can you tell me any 3-digit number, Havish? Any 3-digit number, your wish. Unmute yourself and tell.
Miss 906, miss.
Very good. How will you read 906? Read it. 906 means.
Miss.
చదువు 906 ని ఏమనాలి 906
Miss 906, miss.
Okay, good. 906. Okay, all of you look at the screen, children. Havish told the number 906. See, 906. Now I'm going to round off this number. How I'm going to round off this number? Observe very carefully. First, for this, all of you write this number in your books.
తీసుకోను త్వరగా
906 or okay. After writing, all of you mark ones, tens, hundreds. Satvik, unmute yourself and tell Satvik. In 906, what is the highest place? Satvik.
100 highest place ఏంటి 906
Hundreds.
Good, children. Yes, very good. Hundreds. The highest place is hundreds. Now I'm going to round off this number to the hundreds. Round off this number to the hundreds. Okay, children, all of you say, how many zeros will be there in 100? Type your answer in the chat box. Very good, Aniket. Type in the chat box. How many zeros will be there in the 100? Very good, children. Very good, Hasini. Yes, very good. 2 zeros. First, all of you put 2 zeros. First, all of you put 2 zeros. Put an arrow mark like this and all of you put 2 zeros. Why did I put 2 zeros, children? Because I'm rounding off to the nearest 100. That's why I'm putting 2 zeros. Now all of you, did you all put 2 zeros? Now next, Now next everyone, I'll say you, all of you put one box like this in your books. Put one box and write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in first line, and in second line write down 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All of you write like this. Draw a box and write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 down in next line 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All of you write like this, Nana. Everybody. After writing like this, put to a small line and write in the first line same number. S-A-M-E, same number. Same number. In second line, write down next number. Next number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, same number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, next number. Now all of you come to the number now. 906. All of you underline 906. Okay. Now I already written here 2 zeros. I already wrote 2 zeros. Now all of you, highest place is 9. Circle 9. Circle 9 everyone. Because highest place is 9, you have to circle. And after 9, what digit do you have, children? After 9, what digit do you have? Type in the chat box. After 9, what do you have? Very good, children. You have 0. All of you, for 0, all of you draw a box like this. Draw a box. All of you draw a box for 0. Okay. Now all of you have drawn a box, no? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 is in first line or second line, children? Tell me, children, 0 is in first line or second line? Very good, first line. First line, what I have written here?
Same number. Same number.
Very good, same number. 0 is in first set. 0 is in first set. So you have to write the same number. Here, what number I have circled here? What is it?
9.
So the 9 you have to write before 2 zeros. 2 zeros better kada? Before 9, before these 2 zeros, you have to write 9. Because 0 is in first set, so same number. You should not change this 9. Same number you have to write. Same number. Yes. Not 9, children. You have. Wait, Jashvita. Wait. You have to see 0, children, not 9. You have to see the next number. See, 10th place number is in first set. So you have to write the same 9. Same 9. I'll show you one more example. See, children, I am taking another 3-digit number here. 762, children. I am taking 762. All of you mark ones, tens, hundreds for 762. First, Aravind, if you laugh, Aravind, last time I am telling you.
Miss, I marked miss. Hundreds, tens, and ones.
Very good. All of you mark ones, tens, and hundreds for 762. Make it fast. Okay. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Put an arrow mark like this. After putting arrow mark, how many zeros I have written?
2 zeros.
Very good.
Two
Same like
zeros.
that only. All of you write 2 zeros. Now all of you come to this number and put a box for tens place digit. What is the tens place digit, children?
6.
6. All of you put a box for 6.
Completed, miss.
Okay. Now tell me, 6 is in first line or second line?
Second line. Second line.
Yes, second line. Second line, what I have written here?
Next number.
Very good. Next number. So, what next number you have to write? 7 next number. No, not 6. 6 is in second line. You should write 7 next number. 7 next number is?
8, miss.
Very good. 8. So, you should see tens place digit in which line. If it is same number, you have to write the hundreds place same number. If it is in second line, you have to write the hundreds place next number. Understood, children?
Yes, miss.
Are you clear? If you are clear, show me your thumb. If you are clear, show me your thumb. Tom. Very good, very good. You have to write hundreds place next number. Tens place you have to see in first line or second line. So I'll tell you 2 more numbers. Yes, Jashwita?
Okay.
Yes, because here in tens place 0 is there, no. 0, when 0 comes you have to write the same number I told. That's why I wrote 9. But here in tens place you got 6. You have to write the next number. Okay, Jashwita? Okay. Here you have to see the tens place digit. You should not see hundreds place digit. Tens place digit first line lo undo, second line lo undo chudali. You have to see tens place digit is in first line or second line. Then you have to write the hundreds place number. So I'll give you 2 more numbers. All of you write the rounded off numbers. This number, the answer is called rounded off number. What number, children?
Rounded off number.
Okay, I'll give you 2 more. Wait. I'll give you 2 more numbers. All of you round off those 2 numbers. 362, first number. And another number, 518. First, 362, 518. All of you round off those numbers. Very good, Aniket. Very good. See, children, all of you should put a box for tens place digit and see if it is first line, write same hundreds place number. If it is in second line, write the next number of hundreds place. If you got the answer, write in the chat box, type in the chat box. or otherwise show me your books. Who finished? Show me your books. Very good, Aniket. Very good. Children, all of you give a digital clap for Aniket. Aniket completed 2 numbers. Very good, Aniket. Good, Havish. Aravind, make it fast, Aravind.
Miss, which number we should circle, miss?
Tens place digit. Tens place digit.
Both numbers, miss.
Both numbers. Circle tens
Thank
place
you, miss.
digit and see it is in first line or second line, children. Aravind, very good.
Miss.
Show me your books, children, who completed. Very
Miss,
good, Aradhya. Good, Tanish, good. Akshara, it's not 300. Check your answer. 6 is in second line. You have to write the. See here, all of you should.
Miss, completed, miss.
See, all of you
I
draw a
could see,
box
miss.
for tens place digit. And if you see 6 is in second line, that means you should write next number. 3 next number is 4. First one answer 400. Second one answer 1 is in first set, so you should write the same number 500. How many of you got the correct answer? Show me your thumb. 400 and 500. How many of you got the correct answer?
Miss.
Okay, I'll give you 2 more numbers, children. All of you do. 2 more numbers I'll give. Just simply you should see the tens place digit in which line. In which line it is. If it is in first line, write the same. If it is in second line, write the next number. 2 more numbers I'm giving you, children. All of you write down. 728. 272. Who is going to give the answers first? 728 and 272. Good, Aniket. Why, Aravind, do you have any doubt, Aravind? Do you have any doubt, Aravind? Very good, Kartikeya. Very good. Havish, check your answer. First one, check your answers, Havish. small mistake you are doing, Havish. Once check. Very good, Tanish. Children, the meeting will be ended within 2 minutes. Again, you have to rejoin. Have some water and rejoin quickly, everyone. Very good, Pragna. Hasini, switch on your video. Aradhya, Satvik, Yakub. Very good, Akshara. Very good. Children, if the meeting is ended, again you have to rejoin. Quickly rejoin, everyone.